Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and connect a domain to your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com, if you have not already. And after opening it up, the first thing you're going to do in the upper right corner is go ahead and log into your Shopify account. If you do not already have an account, just go ahead and sign up for one, and after logging in, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started with setting up our store and managing all our store options. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to go ahead and connect a domain to one of our stores. From here at the left side of the screen, you can find all the sections you can access, and in the bottom left corner we can go ahead and open up the settings menu. This is what you want to go ahead and click on. By opening up the settings, it's going to enable us to manage the settings of our store right here, and at the left side of the screen we can find all the sections we can access. So what we're looking for is the domains section right here. You're going to click on domains. By opening up domains, this is now going to open up this new menu from where we can take a look at the domain that we are already using for our website, and we can get started buying a new domain or connecting an existing one right here. So you can go ahead and connect the domain by clicking the option right here. It's going to enable you to either transfer the domain from a different website or connect the existing one, and you want to input the domain right here. Once you have input the domain, you can click next. It's going to go ahead and enable you to follow through the steps to go ahead and connect it to your new store, and just like that, once you're finished up, it's going to connect your domain, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.